Hey guys, this is me again today. It is on my last video, if you saw introducing Zachary and Grindelwald's wand. The weather is actually icing and, well, not really icing, but just like raining and a little bit of ice, but here it is. It's like orange outside. But I do like the rainy weather. If you don't like it, it's just my opinion. But we're about to go to Trader's Village, and my brother Zachary, he just showed some pictures of Trader's Village, and it's very hard to drive at it in this kind of weather. But yesterday it was like sunny outside. It was like hot. It was hot outside. Now it's icing and pouring, raining outside. Just to show you one more time. So if you like rainy weather, just tell me on the channel, or comment me, and remember, subscribe to my channel, me and Zachary Knight's channel, and so bye.